That's right. Carr Parts is on the road. Now, I'm Carr, and I'm in Bakersfield. Let me introduce you to Bryan.
Thanks for coming by, Carr. What's going on, everybody? My name is Bryan Brown, and this is my 94 OBS Chevy that I LS swapped on a budget. Let's go take a look. You get it, right?
Oh, I get it. Come on, y'all. Man, this is a sweet truck. So many things you've done, but let me ask you, on social, I bet people are sometimes giving you questions. What are some of the top 3 things people ask you about?
Yeah, that's a great question, Carr. So I actually get asked a lot, how did you do the wiring and was the wiring hard? It's actually a lot more simpler than you would think. I use the standalone harness, and depending on your setup, whether it's a drive-by-wire or drive-by-cable, or even a 4L60E transmission or 4L80, like I said, it's tailored specific to your application, so it makes it much more simple.
Right on. Now, if you got time, maybe share one more with us. What else you got here?
Absolutely. So when doing any engine swap, one of the biggest concerns is the motor mounts, and I used ICT mounts, but there's a lot of different brands out there that make specific LS swap kits for your exact application.
Right on. Let's take a look inside, do one more.
Sweet.
Ooh, something shiny. Talk to me, Bryan. What are we looking at here?
Yeah, so this is the PCM here, and of course when doing an LS swap, the PCM will have to be flashed. But real quick, another great thing about these harnesses is you can get them at different lengths, allowing you to mount this PCM virtually anywhere you'd like.
Wow, all right, right on. Well, take me around the truck a little bit and let's get on out of here.
Sweet.
Oh, I love this truck. Thank you so much, Bryan. If you're doing an LS swap or whatever you're up to, let us know about it. Use this social address and send us a clip. Because without your clips, the show ends, and we don't want that. Thank you again, Bryan, so much.
And I appreciate you guys coming out, Carr. And for anybody else out there doing an LS swap, I hope this helps you out. And one more thing, keep building.
What he said.